What's up, ladies? Welcome to the channel. It's your girl Carrie M, and if you're new here, please make sure you click on that red subscribe button so you don't miss anything when I upload. And if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, make sure you turn on that notification bell, because y'all know I dibbles and I dabbles and I do a little bit of everything up over here. Now, I have some units that I'm going to be sharing and showing with you ladies today. Jenna Collection was kind enough to send me over 5 units from their Crescent Headband with Bangs series. Now, if you're not familiar with it, these are going to be headband wigs with detachable bang pieces. Now, I want to keep the video fairly short and simple since we're going to be looking at so many units in one video. So it's going to be a lookbook type of video, kind of short, sweet, but I will, of course, provide you some of the thoughts that I think that you would like to know should you think about picking up one of these units. Of course, all of the information and links, if I have them, will be in the description box for each unit that you see me trying on and showing you ladies today. So I have some beautiful units to show you. All of the units are from the Jenna Collection Crescent Bang series. All are 100% natural virgin Remy human hair. And I have 2 wet and wave units, so I'm super excited to see how that's going to work out. Now, the cap construction is the same for all of them. You have 3 combs total, and then you have the attached headband, which has Velcro on it. That headband is like an elastic silk material. It is really soft, so I do like that. And again, for all of the units, you can wear it with or without a bang. It does attach with Velcro, so if you want to take it off, you are free to do that. If you want to wear it on, you are free to do that. But we're going to go ahead and jump into Miss Amanda. So Amanda initially on the box had this nice curly full look to her, and I thought it was beautiful. When I put her on my head, this is what she looked like straight out of the box. We have some ends that were not that curly. It was definitely poking and sticking out, girl. I did do a little something to her, fix her up. I did take a spray bottle and I wet her up a little bit because she was stiff. And I also took some scissors and I cut off those straight out ends so she does have a cleaner appearance. Now, she was real easy to get together, y'all. This is definitely an easy beginner-friendly unit, as most headband wig units are, and I think she's beautiful. Now, if you're gonna go ahead and use the bangs, I do suggest pulling her up closer towards the front of your face, because the bang on this unit isn't that long and it's not that wide. So if you're someone with minimal edges and you don't want them to be showing, then that is my tip, okay, girl? Because pulling her back, all your edges are gonna be exposed. But she is a cute unit. So this one is Jay. Now, Jay, straight out of the box on my head, she was really having like some strand out ends. She wasn't giving me fullness to the tip of the hair, and in the back I felt like it was flat and it wasn't that full, okay? So I wasn't really feeling Jay, okay? But I did get her right. So what I ended up doing was just finger combing her with my hands to puff her out a little bit. I did spray it with a little bit of water on the ends just to tame the frizz, and this is how she came out. I didn't cut any of the, ends that look a little skimpy, but overall she still is really cute. So I'm not too mad at Jay. She kind of alright, and I personally like the bangs on this unit, but I do like her without the bangs too. So y'all let me know how you like her, with or without the bangs. Now, this unit is called Lavy, and y'all let me let you know something. She my favorite one so far. Now, I love the texture. As soon as I popped her on my head, I thought she was cute. The style is a little like stiff, like it's pokey on the bang. You can see on the sides it's just like poking out, and there's no bump ends. It's just really straight, simple, and straight to the point. But you can put heat to these units if you wanted to do so, because they are human hair units. However, all I did was a little mild brush through on this unit, and it looks so much better. Now, the density on this unit is definitely giving me like a natural full density. I like how that's working for me. It's the thickest one so far, and I feel like she's versatile. You can do a couple things with this unit. So I did go ahead and styled her with the half up, half down, and you could do a pineapple too if you know how to do it, girl. You know that's hard to do. But she is very realistic and the most natural looking one to me so far, and she's actually my favorite one. Moving into the wet and wavy units, this one is wet and wavy Bohemian. Now off jump, I noticed that this unit is on the thinner side. So for my ladies who do not like to have so much hair, this is definitely one that you might want to go ahead and look at. Now the curls, not the curls, the bang is pretty long, but I'm gonna talk about that a little later. As you can see, it does come with waves in it. It's not in a bone straight pattern, but it is human hair. So if you want to make it straight, you can go ahead and try to do that. Now when it comes to the bangs, if you're somebody with thin edges like me, you might want to put that wig closer up to the front so you can get full coverage with the bang. But because the wet and wavy units have really long bangs, this one and the next one coming up, you may have to cut it so it's not like all in your eyes or under your eyes, if that makes sense. So I just want to put that out there. Now when it comes to wetting this unit, I think that the curl pattern itself, which you're going to see in a second, doesn't look exactly how it looks on the stock card. I feel like it's a little bit looser, and it did take about 3 to 5 minutes to get it to look like this on the right side of the screen, which is wet. So I did have to let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes to get this look right here. And I think it's really pretty. The instructions did say to wash the unit to get the original curl pattern. So I did test that out on the next unit, which you will see coming up with the next wet and wavy unit. All in all, this one is very beautiful. I love how juicy and voluminous the curls are to the bang to the hair, y'all. Very, very beautiful. I do like this unit a lot. Moving into the last unit, and the last wet and wavy unit is called Wet and Wavy Deep. Now, initially when I put it on, I was like, these bangs are cute, child. This unit is actually appearing a little bit straighter, and I think it's because the deep pattern is a little bit looser than the Bohemian. We're going to see all of that, okay? Now, this one is the thinnest unit of them all, so this one is even thinner than the Bohemian. But anyways, girl, this is what it looks like with the bang. I knew I was gonna like the bang. It's really cute, like I said. I did run through the flat iron with it a little bit on one side. As you can see on the screen, it's on the left side to see if I could get it bone straight, but it wasn't really working for me, so I just stopped and left it alone. It was already straight enough for me, and I knew I was going to end up wetting the hair, so it was no point to do that. Now, when it comes to wearing this unit without the bang, still very cute. I think this unit resembles the Bohemian wet and wavy a whole lot. I think the biggest difference is going to be shown in the curl pattern, to be honest with you. So as you can see with this one, it's a looser wave than the Bohemian was. So this one is actually very pretty too. If you want a similar look to the Bohemian, but you want something a little looser, then definitely go for this one. But they sisters. They're not exactly the same. They're definitely sisters. Now, I'm gonna let you know I did wash this unit, and this is what it looked like when I washed it, because I wanted to see if it was going to deepen up the curls, but it did not. Even after it dried, it continued to keep this pattern. So the stock card does give us juicier curls than what we're actually going to get in person. All in all, I still think it's a really pretty unit. So that is my quick run through of all 5 of these units, y'all. Like, I don't know, that was kind of cute. Y'all know Lavy's my favorite, but the curls, okay? The curls, the longer units, I like the longer units more than the shorter units. Let me know what y'all thinking in comments. All right, y'all. So y'all saw all of the units. I want y'all to let me know in the comment section, do you like any of these units? And if you do, which one? Are you considering picking any of them up? Are you feeling these units? Are you like, yeah, these are it? Are you underwhelmed? I really genuinely want to know what you think about these units. You already heard my thoughts on them as I kind of briefly went through each unit or whatever. But again, all of the information for each unit will be linked in the description box. So I will see you ladies in another video. Make sure you comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe again if you ain't do so. Don't play with me, girl. But I will see you in another video later.